Hey everyone, this is Tony Reeves, and I want to share with you some things that I tell parents when they ask me whether their child should go to law school.
Hey everyone, if you enjoy the content, please hit the subscribe button down below.
Important. First, make sure that they get an understanding of what they want to do first before going to law school. I don't want you to make the mistake that I did going to law school and thinking going to law school itself is just going to open up all these opportunities. Going to law school is a tool. It is not the end product. So you want to figure out what going to law school is going to do for you in terms of the long run, in terms of what you want to do, as opposed to going there and thinking that once you get there, that it's just going to open up this wealth of possibilities for you, even though you have no clue what you want to do next. Make sure that the school is accredited. In other words, make sure that if you graduate from the school and you go take the bar exam for that state, that this way they will actually release your results. But if you're dealing with a school that you're not totally sure, contact that state bar and just ask, if you sit for the bar exam, will the results be released because of the school you attended? That's the question you need to ask. Third, look into the bar passage rate. You want to find out how many of their students actually pass the bar the first time, second time around, and so forth. Schools with a high bar passage rate usually is a good indication that they prepare their students pretty well for getting ready for the bar exam. Keep the cost at a minimum as possible. So don't discount a great state school because you want to go to ideally a private school, because at the end of the day, you're paying back that debt. So as opposed to doing that, look at it from a cost-effective standpoint as well as a quality of education standpoint. Try to pick a state that has reciprocity. Now, that's probably a word you're not familiar with, but in other words, it's where you don't have to take a bar exam for another state because they basically will give you credit for the fact that you took it in a different state. And you can ask the school, do you have reciprocity with any other states? And they'll tell you. So this way you know you can get your license in other states without having to take the bar exam again. Finally, you may not practice law. Accept that and recognize it's okay. One of the nice things about having a law degree is that it creates a lot of different opportunities in non-legal areas, whether it be working in the sports industry, whether it be working in business or working in politics. You can use that degree to springboard into other things if you have no interest in practicing law. So keep that in mind, that if you're not interested in practicing law, even though you're becoming a lawyer, don't let anybody make you feel bad. That's not a bad thing.